Here's the horrible yellow stain, and here's how it turns out. Keep watching to learn the process that will work on 99% of these stains and really separate you from the crowd. So always pre-vacuum the mattress first. We forgot to film that. You want to prepare a 3% hydrogen peroxide mix, and for the rest of the video, I will refer to that as H2O2, which is the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide. For those who have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll quickly explain. I buy 5-litre bottles of H2O2 at 50%, and I dilute this down to 3% by mixing it with water. If you would like a video explaining this in more depth, please leave a comment below and I'll get right onto it. Here's a hot tip. If you dilute the H2O2 with warm or hot water, it will act much faster than when mixed with cold. Another hot tip for those really stubborn yellow mattress stains: on sunny days, after spraying the H2O2, leave the mattress in the sun for an hour or so and those stains will have disappeared. Alternatively, on cloudy or rainy days, you can use a UV torch to act as the sun. So the best method is to spray the edge of the stain first and work your way inwards. It's much easier to not accidentally miss any if you work this way. Next, you want to agitate the fibers. Here I use my Ryobi scrubber, then I let the H2O2 dwell on the stain for at least 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes the stain is still visible, extract the H2O2, spray again, agitate, and then let it dwell for a further 10 minutes. Repeat these steps as many times as necessary. Another hot tip: you can leave the job with the yellow stains still visible, and the residual H2O2 left on the stain will still work overnight to get rid of the stain, even after you're gone. Since we're cleaning the whole mattress, for the next step, we spray a light mist of our pre-spray. Ask me in the comments if you'd like to know what I used for this job, or if you'd like a video explaining. And then of course, we agitate again. For the final step, we use hot water extraction to rinse the pre-spray away, and make sure we do plenty of dry passes to get the mattress as dry as we can while we're still here. In this job, they had a ceiling fan, so I put that on to assist. Alternatively, you can bring your own fans and air movers to speed up the drying process. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know to get rid of yellow mattress stains. They are very common, so this is a great trick to have in your arsenal. Subscribe to Carpet Hero for more carpet cleaning tips, tricks, and inspiration.